Hey Tubes, it's 9 o'clock here, January 21st. It started snowing this morning. Like I say, it's 9 o'clock at night. It started snowing 9 o'clock this morning, so we got 12 hours of snow. And it looks to be about 2 foot so far. And it's not supposed to stop. These aren't drifts, that's the top of my picnic table there. And here's what's coming off my roof. But anyway, we've had 12 hours straight of snow, and it's not supposed to stop for another 10 hours. It's supposed to stop tomorrow morning sometime. So, I don't know if you can see out by the lights, but it's still coming down at a good clip. Alright. I'm not going to go out and step into that because I'm in my jammies, but I'll make, wow, it's piling up on my roof too. Alright, so I'll make a video of it tomorrow when I have to blow it off the driveway. Alright. We'll see you then. Here's a quick shot out front. It's pretty, but I don't know. It's gonna be tough to shovel. Sounds like somebody's shoveling already. Probably not focusing too well. Alright. Here we go. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's still only 2 degrees. Oy, oy, oy. We gotta get out there and start shoveling some of this. Get the snowblower out. Alright. We'll show you when we open the garage door, see what it looks like. Alright, it's about 9 a.m. The snow stopped a lot sooner than they said it would. It stopped. We only had about 4 more hours of that since I first reported. So let's go out there and measure this. Looks like some of it, the sun is out. Looks like it might have compacted because see those little yellow things in my plot there? They were covered up. Even the big stick was almost covered up. Alright, let's go see. Look at this. Got a big overhang on my roof here. Hope it don't land on my head. Even the roof there. Ice damming. Gotta watch out for ice damming. Alright, here you go. This is a real yardstick. No tricks. All the way down to 1 inch. It's like 14.5. Not bad. It actually looked like a lot more. Okay. Let's go through the garage. Okay, I had the snowblower tucked inside the garage tonight. It's pretty good. It's been pretty good to me, this snowblower. It's 28-inch, 9 horse. Let's open the door. That don't look too bad. I thought there would be a lot of drifting and stuff, but there hasn't been. Okay, alright, that's pretty wild. Side of that car. This one here hardly looks like, you know what it was? This one here has a fresh wax job, so a lot of the first snow probably just fell right off it. You just about see through that snow. But then this one here, this one hasn't been waxed in 15 years, so this one has. Oh look, I think I see a squirrel. Squirrel trying to maneuver the wires up there. Oh, there he is. It's on the pole. I lost him. There he is. Oh well. He don't know what to do. He can't go on the ground. He's got to go from tree to tree, pole to pole. He's confused. Poor little fella. Alright. I'm gonna go upload this. Gonna probably take an hour. There he goes, look. He don't know what to do. Alright. I gotta start blowing this. Oh, look at this. Measure that while I'm here. Whoop, wrong side. Wrong side of the ruler. That would have been cheating. I turned it upside down. I could have just turned it around. It's only almost 11 inches there. Okay. I don't want to make this too long. It'll take too long to upload, so. Alright. See you later.